Yak, yak, y'all. What's poppin'?
It's your boy Esquatch, and yes, we are here to review another shoe. And today we are reviewing none other than this is the newest Vomero 5 in the Nike line. It literally came out last week. And yo, this one's different, man. I like this. I like this a lot. It's something totally different than their normal. Well, the silhouette is the same, but the style is different. You know, we got leather on the upper ads, man. But look at the detail in here, bro. This is different. This is the different Vomero. I have not really seen too many Vomeros look this way. And this is what attracted me to it. Unique, all the detail, look crazy looking shoe. That's the type of shoes I like, man. I like stuff that stands out a lot. And this definitely does. You got the ventilation on the heel. This is the zoom support here. We already know the Vomero got some nice traction on the bottom of it. We already know how that rolls. Got a little plastic cage around here. The swoosh is plastic cage around here. Swoosh is brown. Look at this, man. This is totally different. You got the Nike right there on the tongue. As you know, your boy got it in the size 15. And I think this shoe is dope, bro. I'm not even going to front with you. Right now, I think this is sold out in the size 15. But you already know how that goes. Size 15 just typically just sells out faster than anything else. So, man, what y'all think about it, man? Look at this. Got this little orange. It's like the orange and teal. I like that. We know it's blue, orange and blue. So we'll go this right here, but. And yo, man, I'm really feeling this. I really love this brown swoosh. I really love that. I think that is so dope. Man, yo, y'all know y'all gonna have to lay around for when I put this on foot, because this is definitely something that I'm liking. I think this is dope. You can't go. Oh, I have no complaints about this. Look at the detail here. That nubuck material right there. Man, I love the laces. Man, you got so many different things you can do with this. I'm going to definitely make this pop, bro. I'm not even going to front with you. I am going to make this do what it do. Yeah, man, Vomero 5. The latest one that just came out. Y'all boys lay around for on foot. I got you. If you find yourself on my channel for the first time, thank you for stopping by. I go by the name of Esquatch. I am your size 15 sneaker enthusiast. And welcome to my channel. Go ahead and subscribe. Have a seat, man. I got a lot of things planned on for the year 2024. But if you or somebody else wears a size 15 and you're having difficulties finding shoes, or you want to know what these shoes look like on your feet, go ahead and subscribe. And until next time, peace. All you got to do is follow me.